When I'm doing ceramics, I follow my intuition and can really be my natural me. Always feels best, especially when I'm in a quiet space. Creating something that connects me to the present moment and gives me appreciation for things is important. I started doing ceramics with my grandmother when I was younger, and I really got to see the process from start to finish and what it takes to really stick with it. And you really see the beauty of slowly doing something, meticulously planning out everything you want it to look like and how you want it to feel in your hand and what function you want it to really say to yourself but also to others. And her teachings are threaded in my DNA. Creativity to me is, in a way, a non-traditional form of the meaning of the word creativity. It feels a lot more freeing, and whatever you have to do to create a sense of flow and peace. What we're doing here, you create something that you can benefit yourself but also the world in a way that might be newer than, most people are thinking, and I think that's really cool.